Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the width, height of your eyes and other aspects of it on your selfies on the Facetune application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then select a picture that you want to edit. Click on the face button down below, which is the third option. Slide to the right side of the screen until you find the eyes option. Tap on it. First of all, zoom in so that you can do changes more precisely. First, you can select the size of your eyes by using the slide in the middle of the screen. The next step is its width. Then you can adjust the height of it, you can tilt it, and select the distance between your two eyes. These are the changes that you can do concerning your eyes on your selfie. Zoom out to see the result. And if you are satisfied with it, tap on the checkmark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen to save your changes. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.